Got the recording started. Just a recording to show you what I want you to do. I suppose I could do a couple of these with you. But here's what I want you guys to do. Let's see here. Yeah, you could do number 1. Yeah, I'm not worried about number 2. Let's move this up a little bit. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, and 26. Those are the ones that I want you guys to do.
A and B on 26?
Yeah, thank you for saying that, hon. That would be, yeah, both A and B. Okay. So let's look at a couple of these. I'll help you guys out here. So I'll look at number 3. I'll pull some sticks here. It says 20% of 60. Okay? This is what I taught you guys a couple days ago. Mr. Lasore, do you remember how to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
What?
you move the decimal place on the last number once,
Okay.
so it will be 6, and then I multiply 6 by 2 is how I do it.
So, yeah, you've got yes, that's correct. You would get the correct answer. So let me rephrase it a little differently. So 20% of 60. Before we figure that out, you guys should know 10% of 60, as Mr. Lasore said, you move the decimal over one place, and that's going to be 6. And anything that you're trying to figure out what's 10% of it, you move the decimal one place. If it was 37, it would be 3.7. So you're just going to move it one decimal place, and that's what Mr. Lasore was saying he did. And so he figured out what 10% of 60 was, and that is 6. Well, it's not 10%, it's 20%, so we just doubled it, so it's 12. So 20% of 60 equals 12. There's number 3 done for you. Okay? How about number 22? Let's look at the last one I assigned in that group of problems. 250% of 146. Holy cow. That's a lot. So let me ask you a question here. What's 100% of 146 equal? Let me pull a stick. Yeah, I know, I saw that face. Mr. Alkema. Not paying attention, raise points. Mr. Conyers. Oh, you're kidding. Oh, erase points. Mr. Leboutier. 146. 100% of anything is the same thing. It's 146. Come on. You guys know that. Of course, if you were paying attention, that would be a problem. So, Mr. Leboutier, I'm going to break this down, and I'm going to keep working with you, put up 50 points. It's not 100%, it's 200%. So, what would 200% of 146 be? Well, just tell me what to do. Do you know what to do? Mr. Rainbow, what would you do? Do you have any idea?
Double it?
Yeah, just double it. So 146. 146, put up 50 points. Nicely done. That's 12. Carry the 1. There's 8, 9, 292. 292. So that's 200%. Anything is, so if you're trying to figure out 200% of a number, if I said 200% of 17 equals, well, just double 17. It's going to be 34. All right? But, what do you mean, what? I just made it up, honey. I'm just giving you an example. All right. Now, but it's not 200%, it's 250%. So, the next question I'm going to ask myself, and I'm just doing this in my head, I'm thinking, what's 50% of 146? Well, you could divide 146 by 2, or you could divide 100 by 2 and 46 by 2. I mean, these kinds of processes, some of you, most of you, you should be able to just do it in your head. So what's half of 100? 50. What's half of 40?
20.
What's half of 6?
3. 7.
See what I did? See how easy that was? I just broke it down into chunks I can work with. So, what have we got here? 292 plus 73, because that's the 73 is the 50%. Because we got the 200, which was 146 twice. Okay? So that's going to be 5. And what's 7 plus 9, or 9 plus 7? It's going to be 16. Put down the 6, carry the 1. And then 3. So the answer to number 22, let me move this down here, is 365. 365 days in a year. Okay? You guys see how I did that? Break these into chunks, and you don't even have to write much. A lot of these you can just do them in your head. But that's how you do those. So anyways, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so forth. And then 24, 25, 26, A and B. Questions on this? No? No questions? Okay. Short video. Stop video.